Menopause causes changes in your hormones which can impact your mental health as well as your physical health. You may experience a plethora of symptoms that may be associated with menopause. But what if there are easy ways to manage these symptoms? On today's episode of Healthy Over 50, we will enlighten you with some of the best-known ways to manage symptoms of menopause. Menopause begins in the late 40s or early 50s and usually lasts a few years. During this time, at least 2/3 of menopausal people experience symptoms of menopause. These include hot flashes, night sweats, mood changes, irritability, and tiredness. In addition, menopausal women are at a higher risk of several diseases including osteoporosis, obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Many people turn to supplements and remedies for relief. Here are some of the best ways to reduce menopausal symptoms. Number 1. Eat foods rich in calcium and vitamin D. Hormonal changes during menopause can cause bones to weaken and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Calcium and vitamin D are linked to good health. Therefore, it's important to get enough of these nutrients in your diet. Green leafy vegetables like kale, collard greens, and spinach have lots of calcium. It can also be found in tofu, beans, and other foods. Sunlight is your main source of vitamin D since your skin produces it when exposed to the sun. You can also take supplements or increase food sources of vitamin D. Number 2. Maintain a moderate weight. It is quite common to gain weight during menopause. This can be due to a combination of changing hormones, aging, lifestyle, and genetics. Gaining excess body fat, especially around the waist, increases the risk of developing diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight may help alleviate menopause symptoms and help prevent disease. Number 3. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in fruits and veggies can help prevent a number of menopause symptoms. Fruits and veggies are low in calories and can help you feel full, so they are great for weight loss and weight maintenance. They may also help prevent a number of diseases, including heart disease. This is very important since heart disease risk tends to increase after menopause. This could be due to factors such as age, weight gain, or possibly reduced estrogen levels. So a diet rich in fruits and vegetables may help keep bones healthy and can prevent weight gain and certain diseases. Number 4. Avoid trigger foods. Certain foods such as caffeine, alcohol, and foods that are sugary or spicy may trigger hot flashes, night sweats, and mood changes. Try to reduce your consumption of particular foods that tend to trigger your menopause symptoms. Number 5. Exercise regularly. Although there is not enough evidence to confirm whether exercise is effective for treating hot flashes and night sweats, there is evidence to support other benefits of regular exercise such as Pilates-based exercise programs. These benefits include improved energy and metabolism, healthier joints and bones, decreased stress, and better sleep. Number 6. Eat more foods that are high in phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens are naturally occurring plant compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. Therefore, they may help balance hormones. Asian countries like Japan have a high intake of phytoestrogens. This is thought to be the reason why menopausal people in these places rarely experience hot flashes. Foods like soybeans, tofu, tempeh, black seeds, linseeds, sesame seeds, and beans are rich in phytoestrogens. Number 7. Drink enough water. Dryness is often an issue during menopause. This is largely caused by the decrease in estrogen levels. Drinking 8 to 12 glasses of water can help with these symptoms. Water can also reduce bloating that can occur with hormonal changes. Drinking enough water may also help prevent weight gain, aid in weight loss, and reduce symptoms of dryness. Number 8. Reduce refined sugar and processed food. A diet high in refined carbs and sugar can cause sharp rises and dips in blood sugar, making you feel tired and irritable. These foods are associated with a higher risk of depression and worse bone health in postmenopausal people. Number 9. Do not skip meals. Eating meals regularly may be important during menopause. Irregular eating may make certain symptoms of menopause worse and make weight management more difficult. Number 10. Eat protein-rich foods. Eating protein regularly throughout the day can help prevent the loss of lean mass that occurs with age. In addition to helping prevent muscle loss, high-protein diets can help you with weight loss because they enhance fullness and increase the number of calories burned. Menopause is not an illness. Even though its symptoms can be difficult to deal with, it's still a natural part of life. Experimenting with these tips can definitely make your time during menopause easier and more enjoyable. Please subscribe to this channel and like the video if you found it helpful. We will see you in the next video.